Sultan, and today I will act as Tipu Sultan. I am Tipu Sultan, my real name is Sultan Fateh Khan. I am a brave and kind ruler. I fought many battles. I got the title of Tiger of Nation. Come on, my soldiers, let's attack!
Thank you. Adia.